Oh, what the F is pretty up to today. We got woken up early so that we can help Alice take her car to get fixed. Oh, Alice is our building manager. To take her car to go get fixed and then to bring her back. And I was laying in bed all peacefully and everything, and Nina was like, yeah, we'll do it. I was like, no. I was dreaming about being a Viking. It was awesome. I got my Bang. What's up, Bang? So that's what we're doing right now. And we're being followed by somebody. Oh, it's her. It's Alice. Okay, we're trying to get to our car. Alright, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to do stuff after that, probably. Murder. Oh, wow. I just wanted to show you the cat in the box. She loves her box. Check this out. Rock cat in a box. Oh, look at her. She loves that box.
She's such a ham.
I'm kind of stuck, but I kind of like it. Yeah, funny.
Nom 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 nom.
Looking at her. She's looking at her. What did I say? She says, I'm done. I'm done performing. Give me my water, please. Look at this lovely day in California. Feels like fall. And also you have construction work over there. And then apparently this building over here is on fire, so there's just a little bit of noise. Just a little bit. Yay! You guys. I was excited because we're actually gonna play some Zelda. So I'm gonna show you where I'm at in Zelda. Oh, you can kind of see it. I'm gonna show you where I'm at, and then I'm gonna play for a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna show any of the gameplay. Maybe a little bit. If we find something interesting. Maybe when I fight a guardian or something, that'd be kind of cool. Yeah. Nina's going. Oh, I'm here. Maybe not that crazy, but you know. Yeah, let's do it. Zelda. Woo.